Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Welcome back to the new session of vocabulary. Today we'll read this article. Actually it's an advertisement in German. We'll read this advertisement in German and find out some difficult and new words for our vocabulary. But before starting, I would remind you once again about our target batches A1, A2, B1, B2. Every month on the 1st of every month we start all batches new. Almost all the batches we start new. Means every month we start new A1, A2, B1, B2 batches as per the need. So if you are interested, you can contact us. Link is given below. Let's move on to the text. WhatsApp alternative. We all use WhatsApp. We all use Telegram. But now this is the advertisement they are saying, they are talking about that is there any alternative of WhatsApp? Because sometimes we are worried about our private details, our personal details. It might go to some other person, to third person that we do not want at all. So how can we save our personal details? How can we protect ourselves, our identity from a strange person? So this is the article. We'll read this and find out some important words and vocabulary. Very, very important. Latest article, latest advertisement, eine Anzeige. This is Anzeige. Anzeige means an advertisement. Das ist eine Anzeige, die Anzeige. It's an advertisement, right? So, stimmt. Kennen Sie die folgende Situation? Stimmt. Correctly, you know the following situation. You know the following situation. Folgende Situation. Following means this is a situation. Kennen means to know. To know. To know. You know this following situation. What is the situation? Here. That you are using WhatsApp and you are worried about your personal details, your identity, your contact number should not be visible to a strange. And we have seen that whenever we talk about something, our mobile phone, our smartphone is now AI enabled, means it captures everything. Even when we talk in a room and our phone is kept on the table, it captures, it listens to our conversation, and immediately when we look at our phone, scroll up, we'll see the same advertisement that we were talking about. If you are searching on Google some brand, some clothes, some shoes, then immediately we'll switch to Instagram, we'll see the same advertisement related to that product. You must have noticed. Kennen Sie diese Situation? Do you know this situation? You are aware if you are using a smartphone. Sie unterhalten sich in einem WhatsApp-Chat zu einem bestimmten Thema und bekommen Sie dazu passende Werbung angezeigt. Angezeigt? Shown. Show. Show. आप WhatsApp पे चैट कर रहे हो किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे, थेमा पे, और इमीडिएटली आपको उसी तरह की एडवर्टीजमेंट नज़र आती है अपने सोशल मीडिया पे. You must have seen that. You must have experienced that. This is what they are saying. WhatsApp chat zu einem bestimmten Thema. WhatsApp chat is the word. Unterhalten means you are talking. You are talking. You are talking in a chat. You are talking in a chat. Zu einem bestimmten Thema, to a particular topic. And bekommen Sie, you get dazu. You get dazu a passende Werbung. Passende Werbung means a suitable. Okay, a suitable advertisement. Passende Werbung is also an advertisement. Suitable, appropriate. Suitable means what you are talking about. Related to that conversation, related to that chat, you get the passende Werbung. Okay, angezeigt means it is shown to you. Anzeigen. Anzeigen means to show. And these Werbung means advertisement. These advertisements are shown to you. Suppose you are chatting on WhatsApp with your friend and you are talking about, okay, I'll go to the party, I'll buy this brand new shoes, and immediately you switch to the Google or Instagram or any other social media, you will see the advertisement related to the party shoes, the same brand or different brands related to that product. This what happens. It means you are not safe. You are not in a private safe zone. Somebody is there who is listening to your conversation, who is paying attention to your private sphere. So this thing, how can you protect this thing? Das ist, okay, this is what we do. So this is what they are talking about, that our Our private sphere is even not that much safe nowadays. This is what they are talking about. Das ist definitive kein Zufall. This is not a Zufall. This is not a coincidence. It's not a coincidence. It's not a coincidence. You should not be surprised. Oh, it's a coincidence. I was just talking on chat and immediately I see the same product advertisement. Das ist kein Zufall. It's not a coincidence. It's deliberate attempt. Your conversation, your talk has been recorded and the same message, the same advertisement has been delivered to you in order to generate your interest. You click and purchase that product. It's a marketing tool. It's a marketing tool. Das ist kein Zufall. It's not a coincidence. Then means because. Then is again because. Then means because, and we see verb is second position. Verb is second position with then. So then because WhatsApp analysiert ohne ihr Wissen ihr Chats. WhatsApp analyze without your knowledge. Ohne without your knowledge. Wissen means without your knowledge, without your awareness your chats. WhatsApp analyze your chats. WhatsApp is also reading what you are talking on WhatsApp chat and analyze and find out what are you interested in which product you are interested, what are you talking about, do you want to purchase something. So it will show you the same product as advertisement. Werbung, Anzeige. Ihr Wissen, ohne ihr Wissen, without your knowledge or without your awareness. Wissen means knowledge, awareness. Ohne ihr Wissen, without your knowledge. Ihr Chats gezielte Werbung zu schalten. Gezielte means gezielte target. Gezielte means targeted advertisement. Targeted advertisement. What is your target? Gezielte means suppose we are talking on chat about smartwatch. So your gezielt, your target, your aim is to buy a smartwatch. And this is not a Zufall. Das ist kein Zufall. It's not a coincidence. Then immediately you will see same advertisement. You will see the advertisement of so many smartwatches or different brands, different discounts, different price, different features. Das ist kein Zufall. It's not a coincidence. It's not a coincidence. Gezielte Werbung zu schalten means you immediately switch to the same type of advertisement. So this is happening on WhatsApp. This is what we are experiencing nowadays. It happens. So das ist kein Zufall. It's not a coincidence. It's intentional. It's a marketing tool. Okay? Das ist gezielte Werbung. Die gezielte Werbung zu schalten. Now what is mentioned? Telegram hingegen. Hingegen on other hand. On other hand. Now we see what Telegram is doing on other hand. This is just an advertisement. We are learning vocab. Telegram hingegen respektiert ihre Privatsphäre. Telegram respect your private sphere, your private area, your personal life. Private sphere, personal life, your personal sphere. Mit verschlüsselt means encrypted. Encrypted, encoded means encrypted. Nobody can see your conversation. Nobody can read your conversation. Nobody can analyze your conversation. Encrypted. Verschlüsselt. Encrypted. Encoded. Nachrichten. You get encrypted Nachrichten, News. Geheimchats unter Möglichkeit. Ihre Rufnummer means your calling numbers zu verbergen. Verbergen means hide. Hide. You can hide your Rufnummer. It gives you possibility. To hide. Verbergen, to hide your number. It gives you possibility to hide your number. Who gives you? Telegram gives you this possibility to hide. Verbergen. Rufnummer zu verbergen. Okay? Geheimchats. Encrypted. Encoded, encrypted. Your secret chats. Your messages. Nachrichten means messages. Nachrichten also means news. But here, messages. Your chats. and the possibility of to hide your calling number. Auf weitere Einstellungen. Einstellung means settings. There are settings. Okay, and WhatsApp we have settings, personal settings, some other settings. Telegram also we get settings. It's an application. Weitere Einstellung sorgen dafür. And other settings, take care. Sorgen means take care. Dass keine ihre persönlichen Informationen in die falschen Hände gerät. That no your personal information should go to the private hand. In die falsche Hände gerät. Geraten means to go in the private hand. No information should go in the private hands. Okay, in die falsche Hände geraten means your personal detail will not go in the wrong hands. It takes care. Sorgen, to care, and verbergen, to hide. These are the words we have learned. Sorgen, to care, verbergen, to hide. What they hide? Your call number, roof number, and your geheim, your secret chats. Einstellung means settings. Okay, it provides settings that your personal details don't go in the wrong hands. In die falsche Hände geraten, to go in the wrong hands means in the wrong person hands. In the wrong person. Go. Und auch keine Bilder und Videos ihrer Liebsten. And no photos and no videos of your loved ones, your dear ones, your loved ones, whom you love, you care, your loved ones, your dear ones, maybe your friends, your family members. So, Videos ihrer Liebsten. This is genitive. Video ihrer Liebsten. Video of your dear ones, your family members, your friends. That no video, keine Videos, keine Bilder, no images. Means on WhatsApp, on Telegram, you share videos, you share builders. So this will not go to the wrong hands, to the wrong person. This is encrypted, this is encoded, this is safe here. Your private area, your private sphere, your private life respected. They respect, they care, they respect your personal details. Respect your personal details. This is what do they mean. I hope you like this video. Like in case you find it informative. Subscribe the channel and keep watching, keep learning. Thank you so much for watching. Auf Wiedersehen.